In this video, we're unboxing the Multi-Spec oil filler tool. The mounting bracket, the oil drain pan, the Multi-Spec oil filler adapters, the included screws, the gloves, the oil filler funnel. Now let's move on to how to use this tool. Pick the correct oil filler adapter for your vehicle. After removing the oil fill cap, attach the oil filler adapter. Then attach the funnel. And be ready to add oil. There are different adapters for different vehicles. This one is for Chrysler, Ford and Mazda, Toyota and Lexus, Honda, General Motors. These two are universal adapters. This angled filler adapter is designed to work with oil fill ports that are tilted or at an odd angle. These mounting screws are for securing the tool storage bracket. The drain pan is for catching any drips or spilled oil. We can mount the tool storage bracket on the wall. It comes with 2 expansion anchors. After removing them, drill holes into the wall first. Slide this side into the wall opening. Insert the screws into the holes. Install one on each side. Then slide the expansion anchors over the screws. Rotate the screws to expand the anchors and lock the bracket to the wall. Now install these 4 screws and place them into these 4 holes. After inserting the screws, put a nut on each of the 4 locations underneath. Once the screws are secured, slide the drain pan on. Slide it into the matching holes the same way. Place the drain pan in place. Adjust it to the appropriate position. The drain pan need to put nuts on both the top and bottom sides and tighten them down. After the whole bracket is assembled, we can place the adapters on it. Just put them in as your preference. Then take the oil filler funnel and simply twist it on.